Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can set up a new Google account on Android device. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the accounts and backup. This one, click on this accounts and backup, and you have to select manage accounts. Okay, and these are the Google accounts in my Android phone, and we have to select add account. All right, and since we want to create or set up a new Google account, we can click on Google, and here just wait for a moment. All right, and you can sign in with your Google account. You can sign in with your existing Google account. You have to input your email or phone, or if you want to create new Google account, you can click on create account. Then you just need to follow the instruction to set up a new Google account on your Android device. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.